Hi guys! In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and super easy hand cream using all natural ingredients and essential oils. This is what it looks like, and it may not look super spectacular, but it's wonderful for your hands. It's super moisturizing. It heals little wounds on your skin. It soothes skin irritation. It's just wonderful. It smells amazing. It has all these vitamins in it and wonderful properties. So this is definitely a very good, simple, basic skin cream for your hands for this winter. You'll need coconut oil, sweet almond oil, essential oils of Lycia, lavender, and rose, and a glass container with a lid. I'll put a link to these ingredients in the description box. You'll also need a double boiler setup, a spoon, a kitchen scale, and a bowl. Measure 75 grams or 2.65 ounces of coconut oil. Put some water in your lower double boiler pot and heat it. Place your upper double boiler pot into it and add the coconut oil. Let it melt and stir now and then. While that's melting, measure 25 milliliters or 0.8 fluid ounces of sweet almond oil. When the coconut oil is melted, mix in the sweet almond oil and remove the pot from the heat. Now add in about 8 drops of lavender essential oil, 8 drops of Lycia essential oil, and 4 drops of rose essential oil, and mix. Pour the mixture in your glass container and let it harden in the fridge. Once it has hardened, it's ready to be used. So you want to store this hand cream in a dark place. If you don't want to do that, that's fine, but then you have to use a glass container that has colored glass, like dark glass. I would have shown you, but all of my dark glass containers are in use right now. I make a lot of things, so it's fine to use regular glass, but then you have to keep it in, a dark area. You can also keep it in the fridge, especially when you live in a warmer climate. Otherwise, you will have a liquid that's basically an oil instead of the solid, what it is right now. It will turn into an oily substance once it comes in contact with your warm skin. But you may not want to put it on while it's liquid. You can, it doesn't really matter, but I feel like it's more pleasant when it's still a little bit solid when you put it on your hands and then it turns into an oil. It is an oil, it's all oils what I'm using, but it's not that greasy. It's a little greasy in the beginning. It won't be soaked up by your skin right away like store-bought creams. But that's not what it's for. If you want that, just get store-bought creams. This is more the type of hand cream or hand oil you put on while you're watching TV or before bed, and it will stay a little oily for a couple of minutes. Well, not even a couple of minutes. Well, my hands are really dry. Well, not right now because I use my hand cream, but my hands tend to be really dry, especially in the colder seasons. And this is actually perfect, and my hands are super soft and moisturized, and they smell good, but it's very subtle, it's not strong. I don't like strong scented hand creams. For some reason, no, I don't like that at all. You might also be wondering about the shelf life. That's kind of hard to say, but I would think at least 6 months, and you will notice if it goes bad, then you will notice that the texture will become grainy and not smooth anymore, or it will start smelling differently. If that happens, don't use it anymore. But other than that, you can keep using it. It's safe to use. And of course, if you keep it in the fridge, it will stay good for longer. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button to show your support and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!